over there.
Tornado emergency for the city of Rome, Lindale, Silver Creek, and 6 Mile. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Northern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 2:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near 6 Mile, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Rome, Lindale, Silver Creek, and 6 Mile. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, a deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Rome, Cedartown, Rockmart, Aragon, Cave Spring, Cheyenne, Sunny, Edna, Lindale, Coosa, 6 Mile, Silver Creek, and Fish Creek. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.